The revolt of 1857 was not just a mutiny of soldiers. It was India's first organized resistance against British rule. Let us understand why it happened. The causes were political, economic, and social. Politically, the British used the doctrine of lapse to annex Indian states like Jhansi and Satara. Rulers were removed, and traditional power structures were destroyed. Kings and Nawabs were reduced to puppets. Economically, Indian peasants were burdened with heavy taxes. Indian artisans lost their livelihood because British machine-made goods flooded the market. India was turned into a raw material supplier and a market for British products. This created deep resentment among the masses. Socially and religiously, the British interfered in customs and traditions. The immediate trigger was the Enfield rifle cartridge, which was rumored to be greased with cow and pig fat. For Hindu and Muslim soldiers, this was a direct attack on their faith. The first spark came from Mangal Pandey. Soon, the revolt spread from Meerut to Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jhansi, and Awadh. Leaders like Rani Lakshmibai, Kunwar Singh, and Begum Hazrat Mahal emerged as symbols of resistance. The British response was extremely brutal. Villages were burned, public hangings became common, and people were blown from cannons. Suspected rebels were killed without trial. It was not just suppression, it was a campaign of terror to break the spirit of Indians. Although the revolt failed, its consequences were far-reaching. The East India Company was abolished, and India came under direct control of the British Crown. British policies became more cautious. The army was reorganized to prevent future rebellions. Most importantly, Indians realized that they could stand together against a foreign power. The idea of freedom took root. So, remember this, the revolt of 1857 may have failed militarily, but it succeeded in awakening the nation. To get more such informative and engaging videos, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.